Today, we're going a step further. We're delving into an intriguing component of the blockchain technology, a piece of the puzzle that helps these digital currencies operate smoothly and efficiently across different blockchains. This component, my friends, is known as the blockchain bridge. Dive in with us as we unravel the concept of a blockchain bridge. Before we bridge the gap, let's understand the foundation blockchain. Picture a digital ledger, a vast interconnected web of data, but this isn't your average spreadsheet. Each piece of information or block is linked to the others in a chain, hence the term blockchain. This chain is not stored in one place like a bank or government database. Instead, it's decentralized, spread across a network of computers called nodes. Each node has a full copy of the entire blockchain, so when a new block is added, every node updates its copy of the blockchain. This is the essence of decentralization, a core tenet of blockchain technology. But why decentralize? Well, it's about security and trust. In a centralized system, if the central hub is compromised, the entire system is at risk. But in a decentralized system, compromising the whole network is near impossible. Each node verifies the new blocks, ensuring they haven't been tampered with. This creates a system that's exceptionally secure. Let's not forget about transparency. In a blockchain, each transaction is visible to every node. But don't worry about privacy just yet. While the transactions are public, the identities of those involved are kept private through complex codes. This transparency builds trust and accountability, another cornerstone of blockchain technology. The beauty of blockchain is that it can be applied to various sectors, from finance to supply chain management, healthcare, and beyond. It's not just about cryptocurrencies, although they're certainly a large part of the blockchain universe. So, to recap, blockchain is a decentralized, transparent, and secure system for storing data. It's a digital ledger where information is stored in blocks linked in a chain and spread across a network of computers. This design ensures security, transparency, and trust, making it a revolutionary technology in today's digital world. Now that we have a grasp on blockchain, let's explore blockchain bridges. Imagine having several islands, each representing a unique blockchain and needing a way to connect them. Enter blockchain bridges. The concept of blockchain bridges might seem complex, but let's break it down into simpler terms. Picture each blockchain as an isolated island. Despite their individual uniqueness and capabilities, these islands are cut off from each other. This is where blockchain bridges come into play, acting as the transport ferries between these isolated islands. They are the connectors, the liaisons, the intermediaries that allow these different blockchains to communicate and interact with each other. But it's not just about communication. Blockchain bridges also facilitate the transfer of assets and data between different blockchains. They enable a Bitcoin on the Bitcoin blockchain, for instance, to be used on the Ethereum blockchain without having to sell the Bitcoin and buy Ether. In essence, blockchain bridges expand the functionality of individual blockchains. They unlock new possibilities by allowing these blockchains to leverage each other's unique capabilities and strengths. This expanded functionality can lead to the creation of more complex and powerful applications that can operate across multiple blockchains. The beauty of blockchain bridges lies in their ability to enhance interoperability among different blockchains. Interoperability in this context refers to the ability of computer systems or software to exchange and make use of information. With blockchain bridges, we're not just looking at isolated islands anymore. We're looking at an interconnected archipelago, a network of islands that can share resources and work together. So you might be wondering, what's the catch? How does this all work? Well, the concept behind blockchain bridges is quite ingenious, and it involves some intricate technology. But don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step in a way that's easy to understand. But how does this connection work? Let's delve deeper. A bridge is useless unless we know how to cross it. So how does a blockchain bridge work? Imagine a bustling international airport. This airport doesn't just serve one country, but many, facilitating the seamless movement of people from one nation to another. A blockchain bridge operates on a similar principle, but instead of people, it's facilitating the movement of digital tokens from one blockchain to another. At the heart of these bridges are smart contracts. self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code. These smart contracts act as the passport control or customs officers at our imaginary airport. They check and verify the tokens that are being transferred, ensuring that everything is in order. But how exactly does this transfer happen? Well, when a user initiates a transfer, the smart contract on the source blockchain locks up an equivalent amount of tokens. These locked tokens serve as a kind of collateral or guarantee. Then the smart contract on the destination blockchain mints an equivalent amount of tokens. This process is often referred to as minting and burning. Now, what happens if the user wants to move their tokens back to the original blockchain? The process simply reverses. The smart contract on the destination blockchain burns the tokens, and the smart contract on the origin blockchain releases the locked tokens back to the user. The beauty of this process is its interoperability. This is the ability of different blockchain systems to interact and transact with each other, despite their different protocols and rules. It's like having a universal translator at our airport that can speak every language. But it's important to note that not all blockchain bridges work the same way or support the same types of transactions. Some bridges only allow for the transfer of specific types of tokens, while others might support more complex interactions. So there you have it. That's how a blockchain bridge works. It's a bit like an international airport, but for digital tokens, powered by the technology of smart contracts and the principle of interoperability. We've crossed the bridge, but what are the benefits? Bridges make journeys easier. Similarly, blockchain bridges offer numerous advantages. Just as bridges in the physical world connect disparate lands, blockchain bridges link different blockchain ecosystems, allowing for a smoother and more efficient journey in the digital world of cryptocurrencies. Let's dive into the main advantages of these ingenious constructs. First on the list is the enhancement of liquidity. In the cryptosphere, liquidity refers to the ease with which a cryptocurrency can be bought or sold without affecting its market price. When different blockchains operate in isolation, the liquidity of their respective cryptocurrencies can be limited. However, with blockchain bridges, cryptocurrencies can traverse different ecosystems, thereby increasing their liquidity. It's like having a passport that gives you access to multiple countries, opening up a world of opportunities. Next, we have the promotion of decentralization. In the traditional financial system, a few central entities hold the reins. In contrast, the ethos of blockchain is decentralization, where power is distributed among numerous nodes. Blockchain bridges bolster this ethos by connecting different blockchains, further dispersing power and reducing the risk of any single entity gaining undue influence. It's a way of keeping the balance in check and ensuring that no single blockchain becomes overly dominant. Lastly, blockchain bridges foster interconnectivity. Different blockchains have different strengths and capabilities. Some are designed for speed, others for security, and yet others for specific applications like decentralized finance or smart contracts. Blockchain bridges allow these diverse ecosystems to interact and cooperate, harnessing their collective strengths. It's like a team where each player brings a unique skill to the table, and together they can achieve more than they could individually. In essence, blockchain bridges are the architects of a more integrated and efficient blockchain universe. They enhance liquidity, promote decentralization, and foster interconnectivity, acting as the glue that binds different blockchains together. Blockchain bridges truly are the connectors of the crypto world. These bridges pave the way for a future where different blockchains coexist and collaborate harmoniously, unlocking the full potential of the blockchain technology. From islands to a connected world, we've come a long way in understanding blockchain bridges. We've peeled back the layers of this complex concept, breaking it down into digestible bits. We've discovered how these bridges are not just mere constructs, but the very veins that interlink the body of the crypto world. We've seen how they facilitate seamless transactions between different blockchain networks, bringing a whole new level of interoperability to the table. We've also recognized the immense potential these bridges hold for the future of cryptocurrencies. They're not just about making transactions easier today, they're about shaping a more connected, more efficient, and more transparent future. They're about breaking down barriers and building connections, fostering a truly global crypto community. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Stay tuned for more intriguing insights into the world of crypto.